There, the way the Dr. Shavik is a fluent Mandarin speaker. I mean, I have witnessed it myself because he speaks Mandarin very well. So he manages to get along and get things done in a very smooth fashion very quickly. Went to the hostel, got the children settled in the hostel rooms, looked after everything, made sure the beddings, mattresses, water, every facility was provided. Then from there,
Okay, this is Dr. Shamik from Omkar Medicom. I have Nitu's dad with me. He has come over all along with his daughter. So, what your experience about coming over here?
first of all, good morning. My name is Jerry Thomas and I am Neetu Mary's dad. And as a parent, to answer Dr. Shavik's question, my experience has been absolutely pleasant and wonderful. I cannot describe it in better words for lack of adjectives. But my search for my daughter's admission for MBBS started on the internet in the month of March. Got in touch with Subhashish of Omkar Medicom. He guided me to another person called Sushil Pillai who handles the South for Omkar Medicom. And then I got in touch with Dr. Shavik, who accompanied us all the way from New Delhi International Terminal right up to China. And now we are standing in the campus of Hubei University of Medicine, as you can see. And let me assure all the parents who are interested in sending their wards or children to this university or any other university in China that Omkar Medicom does things in a very, very professional fashion. And I have seen Dr. Shavik yesterday. I was accompanying the students and Dr. Shavik throughout the entire process. As a bystander, as an audience, I can say, day before yesterday when we landed in China, we started off with the hostel admission. There, the way the Dr. Shavik is a fluent Mandarin speaker. I mean, I have witnessed it myself because he speaks Mandarin very well. So he manages to get along and get things done in a very smooth fashion very quickly. Went to the hostel, got the children settled in the hostel rooms, looked after everything, made sure the beddings, mattresses, water, every facility was provided. Then from there, he took us out to dinner, paid for it also for that matter. Then the next day, that is yesterday, early morning, we went to the police station to get the children's police verification done, which is a very, very important thing according to what Dr. Shavik says, which I also believe. And after the verification was done, and mind you, it is not a very easy process. It is not as easy as people may think. It is a very tough task in China. But he managed it very smoothly. From there, we went to the telecom company, that is China Mobile, got SIM cards for the children. All this was done in a matter of 15 to 20 minutes. And from there, we went to the bank accounts were opened. All the children today have their hostel accommodation, they have their police verification done, they have their SIM cards of China, and they have their bank accounts of China along with the ATM cards. We deposited cash, we changed the dollars, they have learned how to transact on the ATMs. And as you can see now, we have taken a small tour of the campus. And personally, from my opinion as a parent, I don't believe that my child could have gone to any better university. And all thanks to Dr. Shavik and Subhashish and Mr. Pillai and Omkar Medicom in general. And a special thanks to Mr. Shavik from my personal side, because he did not treat me as a parent, he treated me as his personal guest, because me and my wife both are here. And he treated me as his personal guest, took care of all our personal needs also, which was not required to be honest, but he did it on his own. I sincerely appreciate all the efforts of Dr. Shavik, Subhashish and Omkar Medicom in general. Thank you very much, Doctor.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Do you know that you can get scholarship up to rupees 3 lakh per year for studying MBBs abroad? Our team will support you in all respects so that you can achieve a scholarship. Contact Omkar Medicom now.
Thank you for watching our video. Kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. We upload new videos of different universities every week. See you in our next video.